Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're doing really well. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight your mouse cursor. And this will only work with Windows, so sorry for the Mac users out there. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first of all, you have to download an application called autohotkey. I found this application a little while ago while surfing through the internet, so you can download this application and install it. Then you have to download the cursor highlighter script. Again, all the links are given in the description below, so you can just download it right from there. So double click to run it, and then you can see this blue arrow around your cursor. Now to customize this highlighter, on the right side of the taskbar, click on this cursor icon, and here you can see a lot of options. So go to settings. In general, you can choose which type of cursor you want when you start this application. So you can customize these options. I'll leave that to you guys. Then go to highlight settings. Here you can choose the size of the halo. For example, 120 by 120 or 100 by 100, anything like that. Then you can customize the opacity of the highlighter. 0 means totally visible and 255 means totally visible. I mean, you can't see anything underneath that. So I like to keep it around 100. Then you can select the color of the highlighter. Again, I'll leave that to you guys. Then if you like to change the color of the highlighter when you left click or right click, then you can enable these two options and customize them according to your preference. But I'll suggest you not to enable them as they look quite distracting. Then coming to the picture settings, this setting will only be enabled if you choose picture in general. So let me show you how to use it. So choose picture file in general, and here in the picture setting you can choose which type of pen you want, like blue pen, green pen, red pen or pencil. Now you can also use a picture icon as a highlighter. So click on this picture file and browse. Then I'm going to select this Spider-Man icon. Again, the link will be given in the description below to download that. Select that and open. That's it. Now here you can adjust the size of the image or the icon. Here you can adjust the width and the height. And the X offset and the Y offset is just the location of the image. So here if I give it 100, you can see it's way below the main cursor. So that's how you can customize this. Then the focus setting will also be enabled if you choose focus in general. Again, these are like the same settings, so I think you can customize them on your own. Then you can even set hotkeys to switch between different cursors. For example, if I like to switch to picture, I can just set a hotkey like Shift D and save it. Next time if I want to switch from highlighter to picture cursor, then I can just press Shift D at the same time and it will do the work. Just like that, create another hotkey from switching to highlighter like Shift S, and that's it. Just like this, you can set different hotkeys to switch to different cursors. So that's for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. And obviously this is not the only way to highlight a mouse cursor. There are many applications out there, you can use them. But I like this application because it's totally free and you can customize the settings. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also make sure to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get new videos like this. As you know, my name is Simon and I'll see you in the next one.